Hotel, London.
It's a second.
Careful, Safi. What room?
Beautiful. Yes.
I'm trying to find two pizza.
Birthday weekend.
Stop. Oh, here 247 is I believe 247. There's 247. There's 247. There's a pool in here. Oh my gosh, we're
You let
beside the
Mommy in
lake.
first.
Wait. This looks so familiar.
Oh, is it?
It looks like the Quality Inn in Midland.
Is it?
This hotels look the same.
Yeah, hotels
Safi, take off your shoes, please.
follow the same layout.
Where's the
Oh, look.
Let's see if we're in the...
It's the pool. Same art style as the one
There's the pool.
in our house.
Oh, there's the pool.
There's lifeguards.
There's lots of lifeguards.
Oh no, it's busy. See, there's a lot of...
People.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, good thing we're not going here today.
Wait, is it deep?
I don't think that's it's close in there.
Oh, there's a hot tub in there.
Is it closed?
Yeah, how are you gonna get down there? How are you gonna get... Okay.
Okay, so that's the other side. Yeah, you're right. This looks good.
No?
You grab the railing.
You can go here, so... Ito yung labas ng aming shower. Ayan yung pressure. Maingay. Look at the plants. Jim si Saki. Good job, Saki. I wanna get that Saki.
Why?
Yeah, this is... How about you, Zoe? Careful, Zoe. Ito yung gym nila. Tapos dyan yung pupunta sa labas. Oh my gosh, Zoe. Ito yung pool. Busy. Sige sa akin. Good job. Go, 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 go. Sige.
Only to 50 pounds.
Ha?
Because only to 50
Oh, yeah.
Look, they're two 8-pound dumbbells.
Yeah, like we use at home.
No, don't.
And since I could lift when at home, does that mean
Careful.
I can lift?
Oh, oh my gosh. Kevin. Magkano per dog? Yan guys. Exactly when Pikachu.
Oh, swipe the card. Okay.
Nagasaki. Nagasaki ka ba?
I want to Pikachu.
Saki ka, Pikachu. Good job.
Okay, that's up.
So, maglalaro sila ng air hockey. Saki, yep.
Oh, there we go. Oh.
Oh, Zoe scores.
Happy birthday.
Good, Saki.
Oh, poor guy.
We are at Storybook Garden. Right?
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
we're not at
Study.
Mom,
Where's Saki?
Mom, we're not even at Storybook Gardens. We're
Yes, we
at
are.
Pizza's Castle.
Yeah, there's a storybook. Ooh, there's a water pond.
Yeah, I think from like 86.
What?
Oh, it starts on June
There's a storybook. What is that, Zoe? It's a whale? Hindi nga busy kasi start pa lang. Pag summer, sobrang busy dito. Come on, guys. Okay. Saki, is this your farmer's market?
You gotta clean it up.
I'm cleaning it up.
Oh, what are you selling? You have some peppers. Are you closing?
No.
Looks like it's oil. Here's Zoe. Oh, there's a splash pad. It's probably cool. Sorry. Huh? Meron silang picnic area dyan. Doon. Merong face painting. Yeah. We're going to the playground.
Jackie said hello, invited me.
Yeah. There's a frog pond.
Frog. Look, I'm on there.
Walang isda dito. Ang
Mom,
dumi.
I just saw, Mom,
Yeah.
I just saw an octopus.
Octopus.
Why is there green water over there?
Because the algae.
Mom, the green water.
Yeah, like, oh,
Come on, let's go.
wait, I wanna see some fish here.
Yeah, maybe it's just this pond, right? Or pond or whatever it's called.
Ang dami. Dami.
There's so many.
There's nothing. Merong playground dito. More picnic area here, baby. Look at all the trees. Shady part. Here's the playground. Hey. Sulo ni Saki ang rope. Saki! Kaya mo yan. Ayan yung dalawa. Oh, Zoe. Look at Zoe. Can you tell her not to? Is it? Oh, where's? Oh, see? What happened?
Enduring these
Maker.
What?
Dalawa una sa taas. Nag-aaway na naman. We're going to look.